In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage vendor credits in QuickBooks. With these step-by-step instructions, you'll gain a better understanding of how to navigate through QuickBooks and ensure that your vendor management is seamless and accurate. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, let's start by going to QuickBooks. Open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. This is your control center for managing all your financials and is where we'll be accessing vendor credits today. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, ensuring you're comfortable with where everything is located. Next, locate and click on the New button. This is typically found in the upper left corner of the dashboard and serves as your gateway to creating new transactions or entries. By clicking here, you're preparing to document a new vendor credit, which is essential for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring payments are properly tracked. Once you've clicked on New, look for the option that says Vendor Credit and select it. This will direct you to a new screen where you can begin entering the details for your vendor credit. It's crucial to document these credits accurately to reflect any returns or credits received by your business, as this will affect your total payable to vendors and cash flow. Now, you'll want to identify and select the vendor associated with this credit. Click on Vendor to access your list of vendors and choose the one relevant to this transaction. Having a correct and updated vendor list is a good practice to ensure all transactions are assigned correctly, avoiding any potential discrepancies in the future. After selecting the vendor, proceed to click on Mailing Address. Here, you'll want to confirm or update the mailing address for this vendor. Ensuring accuracy in mailing addresses not only maintains the integrity of your records, but also facilitates smoother communication if paper correspondence is needed. Following this, select Payment Date. Choose the correct date on which the credit was processed. This step is vital as it ties the credit to the correct accounting period, ensuring financial statements and vendor balances are accurate. Next, click on Ref No and Permit No. These fields allow you to input any reference numbers or permits relevant to the transaction. While these may not always be necessary, including them where applicable helps maintain thorough records and aids in quick identification of specific credits. From here, click on Category. Assign a category that best describes the credit. This categorization helps in generating reports and analyzing expenses by grouping similar types of transactions together. Continuing, click on Description to input any additional notes or details about the vendor credit. This field is particularly useful for providing context about what the credit pertains to, which can be helpful during audits or reviews. Add any pertinent details in the Memo field. This is an internal note for your records and can be quite useful for capturing specifics that don't fit neatly into other fields. Finally, click on Attachments to upload any documents related to this vendor credit. This could include receipts, credit notes, or any relevant paperwork. Having these documents attached provides a complete and verifiable record of the transaction. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully documented a vendor credit in QuickBooks. This process not only keeps your records accurate, but also streamlines your vendor management, helping ensure your business runs smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.